Kamakailan nga lamang ay ginanap ang 3-day police service training to refresher training sa pamumuno ni Police Major Danny C. Yasay, OIC, Reco 4A. Tara at tunghayan natin.
Dito sa Reco 4A, ginanap po natin ang isang 3-day refresher at training seminar ng ating mga K9s, including their the handlers. No? So, it is very important for us to do this, for us to make them, of course, yung quality time ng kanilang mga banding ng ating mga handlers at saka, of course, yung mga police service dogs natin. Napaka-importante po itong mga ginagawa natin na to para ma-check natin, of course, yung serviceability ng ating mga PSD sa mga police service dogs natin para magkaroon po tayo ng isang sapat, isang efficient at natatanging pagganap na ating service. Of course, ang aim naman natin dito ay para sa safety, of course, ng ating handlers, ng ating mga service dogs, and the community as well. The pressure training is vital for strengthening the bond between the handler and the canines. In this aspect, the relationship between the canine will be uplifted, of course. The trust and communication between them and partnership are crucial for the effective team. Training sessions allow handlers to spend quality time and with their dogs, reinforcing their connection and enhancing their overall design.
Ang purpose kasi natin doon, we have to check yung ating mga police working dogs for their effectivity, competency, and at the same time, yung ating mga aso is yung effectivity nila. And as a canine handler din, we have to assure na ang ating mga aso ay yung nakukuha nila, yung tamang proseso.
Ang activity ng Regional EOD K9 Unit 4A ay tinatawag natin 3-day refresher course for handlers and K9. So, well as i-develop yung natatagong skills and iba pang capabilities ng ating K9 teams para sa mamamayan ng Region 4A.
Ability, yung enhancement, ma-exercise natin lalo sila sa kanilang mga trabaho. Sa amin, sa Reco 4A, weekly, monthly, laging pinapractice natin ng aso natin. Sunod nito, magsasalta ang ating canine evaluator at the same time ang ating consultant pagdating sa health ng ating mga aso.
Trabaho po natin dito ay i-assure po yung pagiging healthy po ng mga PSD natin. Kasi dapat before po ng mga deployment, dapat apparently healthy po ng mga PSD natin. Kasi kapag hindi po nagiging effective po yung dogs natin.